Alright guys, Jeremy here with another episode of Random Expensiveness. Today we're back at it with the 2017 Nissan GTR and Blaze Orange Metallic. Today we're going to be checking out the exhaust with the valves open and with the valves closed, just to give y'all guys an idea of how it sounds. Look how amazing that paint job looks. Woo! Here's the exhaust. Alright. Alright guys, here's my 2015 Nissan GTR Black Edition and the optional Super Silver paint job. And here we have a 2017 Nissan GTR. Here's a 2015 startup and rev. Here's the 2017 startup and rev. The 2009 GTR with the Switzer exhaust. We're going to do a startup and rev. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like more information on the 2017 Nissan GTR, visit premiernissan.net.